think this is like $100. Amazon. Get Amazon Prime, it'll be here tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna shoot this box, so we'll just take it out. Like so. And it comes with BBs. Wow, amazing. So, wow, this thing feels real. I have a 22 version of the 1911. Wow, it's crazy. This feels exact. Okay, so we have the thumb safety, not the thumb safety, but the grip safety. Full slide. Oh my God, that sounds so weird. I don't even want to push it down because I got people downstairs, but I'll take you in my room. All right, so here's how she's looking. Got 70, 76 on the side. 25 stars and 25. That's 50. Damn. Got the thumb safety. Does that work? My thumb safety isn't working. Hold on. Oh, it works. Wow. I'm gonna put some Vendor right here. Cover that with American flag, like I did my 22. But yeah, this is nice. Bigger barrel than my 22. Wow, can't wait to shoot this thing.